So over here in the design, if you want to add yourself some reminder or to, let's say for example, let others keep some notes, then you can add and edit comments as well. So to do that, over here, you can see that comment is an option. And if you were to go around and click right here, then it opens up the comment panel. So over here, you can see something like need to make the design more color full right here, just like this. So I can go around and do that. And I can also go around and choose around, let's say, an emote icon right here and press next right here. And you can see that there's the comment over here. And if multiple people have access to the same file, they'll be able to go around and comment and say, let's say for example, okay, as well, just like this, and then they'll be able to leave out the comment. So this will be a comment section for the reminder right here. You can go around over here and then edit out the comment or reply to the comment as well. So for a specific comment, you can reply over here as well. So you can see that it says it is taking this as the source right here, and there's a reply over here. You can also go around and edit out the reply right here, and maybe go around and change around things right here, just like this. And that is how you can edit as well. But you do get the message that the message was edited over here as well. Click on the three dot button, and you can also see that you can delete around the comment if you don't want it anymore right here. So you can also delete around the comment. And that is how you can add and edit out comments inside of Vectr. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.